What if every student pilot had a personal flight instructor, available 24/7, who knew their every strength and weakness? An instructor that could dream up any training scenario on demand, from a simple crosswind landing to a complex, multi-system failure over the mid-Atlantic, and give instant, perfect feedback? This isn't science fiction. We're plugging into the flight simulators of tomorrow, where artificial intelligence is about to completely reshape how we train the next generation of pilots. This technology is poised to make pilots better, faster, and safer than ever before. For an industry facing a massive pilot shortage, this isn't just a cool innovation, it's a necessity. Stick around to see how AI is moving from hype to the cockpit and creating a new standard for excellence in the skies. Part 1. The Problem, the Current State of Pilot Training. Section 1.1. The Gauntlet of Becoming a Pilot. For anyone who's ever dreamed of earning their wings, the path to the cockpit is a tough one. It's a journey that demands incredible dedication, staggering costs, and a nearly vertical learning curve. Aspiring pilots spend hundreds, if not thousands, of hours buried in dense manuals covering everything from aerodynamics to federal aviation law. Then, they have to somehow translate all that theory into real-world skill, a process that's both mentally and financially draining. The traditional training pipeline is a rigid, one-size-fits-all model. Every student, no matter their natural talent or learning style, goes through the same lessons in the same order. While this has produced great pilots for decades, it's not very efficient. A student who masters landings in just a few tries still spends the same amount of time on that module as a student who struggles. Meanwhile, the student who needs extra help with radio calls might not get that focused attention before being pushed to the next task. The system is less of a finely tuned pathway and more of a blunt instrument that can't easily adapt to the individual. Section 1.2. The Limits of Traditional Simulators. At the center of modern pilot training is the flight simulator. These multi-million-dollar machines are amazing, able to replicate the cockpit and feel of a specific aircraft with stunning accuracy. They let trainees practice tough maneuvers and emergency procedures in a completely safe environment. Without them, training for modern airliners would be both impossibly dangerous and expensive. But for all their power, traditional simulators are basically static. They are powerful tools, but they aren't intelligent. The scenarios they run are pre-programmed. An instructor can load a severe weather or engine failure on takeoff scenario, and the simulator will run that script perfectly, every time. But it can't adapt. It can't tell that a trainee is getting overwhelmed and dial back the difficulty. And it can't see that a pilot is handling things with ease and decide to throw in a new, unexpected challenge to really test their skills. The entire feedback loop depends on the human instructor at the controls. They watch, they interpret, and they correct. But this feedback usually comes after the fact, in a debrief after the session, or a verbal correction that pulls the student out of the immersive experience. The simulator itself is just a passive stage, it has no idea how the performance inside it is going. Section 1.3, The Human Factor and the Pilot Shortage. Let's be clear, the human instructor is, and always will be, the core of pilot education. Their experience, judgment, and mentorship are irreplaceable. However, the old training model puts a huge burden on them. An instructor's feedback, as expert as it is, can be subjective. Two different instructors might critique the same maneuver in slightly different ways. Fatigue, workload, and just plain human nature can lead to inconsistencies. Trying to standardize this feedback across a big organization is a major challenge. And this system is now straining under the pressure of huge demand. According to Boeing's 2024 to 2043 outlook, the world needs a mind-boggling 674,000 new pilots over the next 2 decades to keep up with new planes and retiring pilots. This has created a massive bottleneck. The demand for pilots is skyrocketing, but the traditional training pipeline can only move so fast. It's a slow, expensive process right when the industry needs speed and efficiency. This is the critical problem aviation is facing, and it's a problem the old way of training just can't solve on its own. Part 2. The Solution, the AI Co-Pilot in the Simulator. Section 2.1. Introducing the AI Flight Instructor. This is where artificial intelligence steps in, not to replace human experts, but to act as their ultimate partner. The revolution isn't about pilotless planes, it's about using AI to create better human pilots. We are seeing the start of the AI-powered flight instructor, a digital mentor built right into the simulator, designed to make training more personal, adaptive, and effective. Global training leaders like CAE and Flight Safety International are already developing and using AI-driven tools to create these personalized training experiences. These aren't just fuzzy concepts, They are real programs designed to make pilot training more efficient. The goal is a partnership where the AI handles the detailed, data-driven work, freeing up the human instructor to focus on what they do best, teaching the nuanced art of judgment, leadership, and decision-making under fire. Section 2.2, Adaptive Simulators, training that thinks the heart of this revolution is the adaptive simulator. Unlike the old static models, an AI-driven simulator is an active participant in the training. It collects and analyzes a constant stream of data in real time, every control input, every eye movement across the instruments, reaction times down to the millisecond, and even biometric data like eye tracking to see how much mental load the pilot is under. This data is used to build a unique, living profile of every trainee. Imagine a student pilot is practicing landings. The AI notices she has a habit of flaring just a split second too late. The old way? The instructor would spot this and correct it verbally after a few attempts. The new way is instant. The AI flags the error immediately. But it doesn't stop there. It changes the next scenario. Maybe the next approach has a slightly stronger headwind to subtly encourage an earlier flare. If she handles that, the AI might add a light crosswind. If she nails that, the scenario might change to a crosswind at night, on a wet runway, with a non-critical system alert as a distraction. This is adaptive learning. The simulator is no longer a passive tool, it's a dynamic sparring partner, always adjusting the difficulty to keep the pilot right at the edge of their abilities, which is where we learn best. It finds weaknesses and safely, relentlessly, works on them until they become strengths. It makes sure every single minute in the simulator is spent doing something that matters. Section 2.3, The Power of Instant, Data-Driven Feedback. Perhaps the biggest game changer is the AI's ability to give instant, objective feedback. Human learning is all about repetition and correction. The shorter the time between an action and feedback on it, the faster we learn. AI shrinks that feedback loop to almost zero. This feedback can come in different ways. An error in a procedure might trigger a subtle visual cue on a screen. Drifting from the perfect flight path could result in a gentle audio prompt. After the session, the pilot doesn't just get a chat with their instructor. They get a full, data-rich analysis on a tablet. They can see a visual overlay of their landing approach compared to the ideal one. They can review heat maps of their instrument scans, showing exactly where their attention was, and where it wasn't, during a critical moment. This is the power of platforms like Paladin AI, which use data to measure pilot skill against objective standards. It shifts training from being somewhat subjective to being based on hard evidence. The AI can tell an instructor, this student has trouble holding altitude in steep turns, but only when radio chatter is heavy, giving a level of insight that's incredibly hard for a human to spot on their own. This lets the human instructor become less of an assessor and more of a targeted coach, using the AI's data to inform their high-level mentorship. Section 2.4, Measurable Results, Faster, Sharper, Safer. And this isn't just theory, it's already working. Studies are showing that AI-driven training can get a pilot to competency faster, cutting down on total training time. One report from McKinsey mentioned an airline that used AI simulation to tighten up its training plan, reducing bottlenecks by 5 to 10%. More importantly, it's creating better pilots. The ability to practice rare and complex emergencies over and over builds a kind of muscle memory and mental toughness that's hard to achieve otherwise. Pilots trained in these adaptive systems are better prepared to manage their workload and make the right calls when the pressure is on. This approach is also expanding beyond just flying the plane. At major industry events like the World Aviation Training Summit, there's a growing focus on using AI to develop crucial soft skills. Airlines and training organizations are exploring AI-enhanced modules focused on leadership, professionalism, and crew resource management, the very skills that are so important in preventing accidents. By simulating realistic crew interactions and leadership challenges, AI can help pilots develop these essential skills far more effectively than old-school classroom lessons. This all-around approach is producing a new generation of aviators who are not just skilled, but truly prepared. Part 3, Future Implications, A New Era of Aviation. Section 3.1, Redefining Safety in the Skies. The single greatest benefit of all this technology is the huge leap forward it represents for safety. Aviation is already incredibly safe, but the goal is always zero accidents. AI-powered training is a powerful tool to help us get closer to that goal. Its main contribution is the ability to train for the truly unexpected. AI can generate an almost infinite variety of complex scenarios, including those rare but critical black swan events that have shaped aviation history. Pilots can now safely and repeatedly practice handling situations like a dual-engine failure over mountains, major structural damage, or a complete electrical failure at night in a storm. These are events that are impossible to practice in a real plane and are often too specific for pre-programmed simulator scripts. By exposing pilots to these high-stakes scenarios in a safe place, AI builds a level of preparedness that was never possible before. It's about making sure a pilot's first time dealing with a once-in-a-lifetime emergency happens in the simulator, not with a cabin full of passengers. Section 3.2, the evolving role of humans in the cockpit. Whenever AI is discussed, the fear of human replacement comes up. In aviation, though, the foreseeable future is about human-machine teamwork, not replacement. The AI instructor is there to help the human instructor, not make them obsolete. By automating performance tracking and scenario generation, AI frees up the human instructor from the repetitive parts of their job. This lets them focus on what humans do best: mentorship. They can spend their time teaching the art of aviation, things like judgment, airmanship, and the subtle communication skills that AI is still a long way from mastering. The role of the pilot is also going to change. As AI systems become more integrated into the actual flight deck, helping to optimize flight paths or manage fuel, the pilot's role will shift. They'll move from being a hands-on operator to a high-level systems manager and strategic decision-maker. Their training has to reflect this. The future pilot will be less of a driver and more of a conductor, orchestrating the complex symphony of technology that keeps a plane safe and efficient. Section 3.3, hurdles on the horizon. Now, this path to an AI-driven future isn't perfectly smooth. There are challenges. One of the biggest is trust. For pilots and instructors to really rely on these systems, they need to have a sense of how the AI is making its decisions. The black box problem, where an AI's logic is hidden, is a major hurdle. Then there are the technical and ethical questions. These AI systems need huge amounts of high-quality data, which brings up serious issues of data privacy and security. There's also the risk of bias. If an AI is trained on flawed data, it could just repeat those flaws in its training. Finally, the rule makers need to keep up. Agencies like the FAA and EASA are working on plans for certifying AI in aviation, but the technology is moving at incredible speed. Creating a global framework that ensures AI is implemented safely and effectively is a complex but absolutely essential task for our future skies. Conclusion and CTA: we are at a major turning point in aviation. The use of artificial intelligence in pilot training is a fundamental shift, moving us from a one-size-fits-all model to one that is personal, dynamic, and incredibly effective. By giving every pilot a personalized curriculum, adaptive simulators that push their limits, and instant feedback that speeds up learning, AI isn't just adding to the training process, it's rebuilding it from the ground up. This is how we'll meet the incredible demand for skilled pilots and how we'll continue to make our safe skies even safer. The cockpit of tomorrow is being built in the AI-powered simulators of today. What are your thoughts on AI in the cockpit? Do you think this is the future of flying, or are there risks we haven't fully considered? Let me know your perspective in the comments below. And if you found this look into the future of aviation interesting, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that's changing our world.